we do not have a good definition of life. Most of us feel like we could define, like, oh, what is it to be alive? But there are all kinds of exceptions and weirdness to it. You could say, well, all living things, have a metabolism. Well, your car has a metabolism. Basically, the same combustion reaction that's happening in your engine is happening in your mitochondria with the same waste products. And, all living things contain genetic material, but viruses aren't considered alive, even though they contain genetic material and they evolve, but they're not truly cells and they can't replicate themselves. But, and, prions can replicate and cause disease, but they're just proteins. So where do we draw the line and how do we exactly define it? And it's way more difficult than you would think. There is no good definition of life that makes everybody happy. And if you want to hear evolutionary biologists, if you want to get an argument started, how did life originate? And we don't know. There are tons of hypotheses, which is why I put in the assignment that some of these are hypotheses. There are some things that are theories, and the way it works in science is theories are well documented and supported by facts, and hypotheses are kind of maybe they are supported by some facts but not others. It's more of, we're not quite as sure, like endosymbiotic theory, RNA world hypothesis. So we just kind of, how life began, we don't know. And as you can see by the topics, there are so many different hypotheses about how everything began. So you are going to pick one, and some of them are important steps in our evolutionary history. The evolution of photosynthesis and how that changed the atmosphere, the evolution of multicellularity and what that means. So each topic is slightly different. If you need to talk to me, we can set up a Google Meet sometime where we can talk about your particular topic. So the instructions seem kind of vague because each topic is slightly different, and what you pick will determine your approach to it and exactly everything I need from you. But basically, just kind of explain it. Explain your topic to where other people can understand it, because some of this is some hardcore molecular biology. And make sure that you are including, you've got your citations for it, and that can just be a Google Doc where you've just copied and pasted the links to it, so we can kind of see where you are, and that will help me if if I need to help you with your research, or find, like, what is it exactly that you're looking at? Where did you get this statement from? It should be a fun project. Everybody is doing something different, and once you make a choice, that choice is removed from the form. So, like so much of life, it comes down to firsties and what topic you pick. If you have another topic in mind that is not on the list, you can email me. There's a place for it on the form, and we can see, what it is, or if somebody else is doing it. If you just had that idea, but maybe somebody else has picked it. And we'll go from there. So you will make your Flipgrid video explaining your topic. And then next week, I'll give you guys a form, a Google Doc, and you're going to, you've got to watch several people's videos. Some are more important than others. Some of those topics will be on your test, and some of them won't. Sorry if yours isn't one of the chosen. So your second assignment next week will be to watch all the ones that are for sure going to be on your test, and then maybe a couple of others just for funsies. So have fun with it. Let me know what you think. Make sure you watch the other video, the Kurzgesagt video. And there's no assignment with that. It's just kind of, it actually talks over a bunch of topics and talks about life in the universe and whether it's possible anywhere else other than here. And it kind of addresses some of the things that we would talk about in class anyway. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you learn lots from it. And I hope to see you guys soon. All right. Have a great week, and email me. Let me know if you're having any issues and how stuff is going. All right. Bye.